Hi there. So, for the ones of you who don't know me, my name is Anna Scaramella, and I'm the person behind the Suburban Teacher and most recently, the ESL Lounge. So, if you've been following me for a hot minute, you know of my love for boom cards and you know how I constantly use them for pretty much everything in my classroom. And because they've been so amazing for myself, for my students, and they have added so much to my income, I figured why not teach other people how to create them and then add to their income with boom cards. So that's the reason why I created this course. And today I want to walk you through everything that you get, everything that you'll learn when you join Creating Boom Cards with Confidence. You ready? So let's see. Okay, so when you become a student in the course, this is what you will see. This is your dashboard. This is everything that is in the course is here, obviously. So when you join the course, you can become, and I highly encourage you and ask you to become a to join a Facebook group. This will be a private Facebook group only for the people that, purchase the course, and this will be a safe environment for us to share, to give each other feedback, to help each other out, to troubleshoot, to try to solve issues that we may encounter as we go on the Boom Learning creation process, right? So when you purchase the course, first thing I want you to do is to join the Facebook group. And then you'll see there's Module 1, which is an introduction to boom cards. So in Module 1, you'll see there's a video. All of the course is in videos, right? I recorded all of the videos for you. So what are boom cards? So in case you're not very familiar with boom cards, I tell you a little bit of my experience and what boom cards are. I talk to you about the current types of membership. So keep in mind that this course will be ever changing. So if anything changes as far as memberships and prices and stuff like that, I will update the videos. So everything that's here is current as far as the types of boom cards that you have here and the types of memberships. And as I learn more, I will add more to the course. So I have Module 1, what are boom cards, types of membership, the point system, and how to get started on boom learning. So this is really just an overview of what boom cards are. If you already have an account, feel free to skip this module. And then Module 2 is where the creation starts. So this is where I show you how to create the different kinds of boom cards. So we are going to create them on PowerPoint and then transfer them to the Boom Learning platform and then gamify them. We will turn them into an actual game once we're on the Boom Learning platform. So I guide you step by step what to create. So in the process of learning how to create boom cards, you will learn a little bit about PowerPoint, about functions of PowerPoint. You will learn how to create a background. So when I create the decks with you, I will show you step by step how to create the background, how to create the actual cards. So where to put the images, how to move the images, how so they look their best, right? So in Module 2, you learn how to create a choose the right answer on PowerPoint and transfer to boom card. I'm gonna teach you how to create a deck using the multiple choice that is in Boom Learning. The multiple choice tool, multiple pictures, drag and drop. So here, drag and drop, I will show you how to create 2 different types of drag and drop decks. We're going to create them on PowerPoint and then transfer them to Boom Learning. And then I'll show you how to create a feed the creature deck of drag and drop, right? Which is when you have like an animal or something, a creature eating whatever is dragged into the drop zone. Fill in the blanks on PowerPoint, then on Boom, and then open response. this is module 2. In module 3, where's module 3? In module 3, I will teach you, I will walk you through the process of creating a mystery picture deck of boom cards. So mystery picture is, as the student progresses through the deck, a piece of the picture is shown. So I'll show you how to create with a table, using a regular table, and using shapes. And I will walk you through the whole process of creation in PowerPoint, then of gamification, if that's a word, on Boom Learning. Module 4, you'll learn about Flow Magic, which to me is the coolest thing. It's a way for you to create, I use Flow Magic to create game boards in which the student, I have several different games inside one deck, and Flow Magic allows you to do that. And I will show you how to do that. I will show you how to create a game board on PowerPoint, then make the magic happen on Boom Learning. So in addition to learning how to create the boom cards, keep in mind that this course is on creation, right? The main juice is creation, but I am showing you how to sell boom cards, because boom cards, the majority of my income as a teacher seller comes from boom cards. So I think that, you know, they're just the best thing since sliced bread, which is what I keep saying all the time, right? So I'm gonna talk to you, which does not only apply to boom cards. So if you sell on Teachers Pay Teachers, this will help you on Teachers Pay Teachers as well. I'm gonna talk to you about writing good titles and descriptions, like how to write a good snippet to make sure that your resource is found by the search engine, how to list on Boom Learning, what you need to list on Teachers Pay Teachers. So listing on Boom Learning is a little bit more straightforward than listing on Teachers Pay Teachers. So when you list a boom deck on Boom Learning, it's pretty quick. It's 1, 2, 3, you list it on Boom Learning. But listing on Teachers Pay Teachers takes a few more steps, and I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna walk you through all of those steps. I'm gonna talk to you, I'm gonna show you how to create eye-catching covers. I'm gonna tell you what you should include in the covers and thumbnails, a thank you page and a terms of use, and I talk about the importance of those. I'm going to show you where to get the link to sell on Teachers Pay Teachers. There's a specific link that you need to use to sell on Teachers Pay Teachers. What else? Oh, I'm going to show you how to add the boom links in PowerPoint and Adobe Pro. In case you don't have Adobe Pro, you can use PowerPoint to add that link. I'm going to show you how to export and save the covers and thumbnails, what resolution you need to use, what size, and stuff like that. I'm going to show you that it's important to create a preview and how I create my previews. A simple preview, nothing, you know, my previews are simple previews, but they work. Video previews, and then listing on Teachers Pay Teachers. I walk you through step by step of what I do to list my resources on Teachers Pay Teachers. Okay, so this is module 5, which is selling. Then I have module 6, which is the how-to. So all of the how-tos that I could think of that you will need to create boom cards and sell them are here. So I added some how-tos for PowerPoint, like how to layer objects, how to, there's how to create a bundle on Teachers Pay Teachers, how to list it, how to create custom categories on Teachers Pay Teachers. And like I said, this is ever growing, it's ever evolving, and as I learn new things, I will add new things to the course. You get lifetime access when you join the course. You get lifetime access to everything that's here now and everything that gets added to it. And then, the bonuses. I love the bonuses. So as of right now, I'm still working on bonuses, and I will never stop working on bonuses, on adding bonuses to the course. But as of right now, this is what we have. As far as clip art, we have beautiful, beautiful clip art by Barefoot and Bilingual, by the Itsy Bitsy Classroom, by Rainbow Sprinkle Studio, Bilingual Scrapbook, Binky's clip art. We have tons of clip art to get you started. If you are an elementary teacher, this is elementary teacher heaven. There's so much clip art, and I am still working on getting more for you, but as of right now, this is what I have. I have beautiful mock-ups for you to create social media images, for you to create Pinterest pins. So I have mock-ups by Sabrina Diaz and Company, by Math and Motivation, by Miss Pat's store, and they are absolutely beautiful here for you when you join the course. And last but not least, I have audio files. So we know that having audio makes a difference in Boom Cards. So if you are an elementary teacher and you will create short A CVC decks, the audios are here by Virtual Confetti, and they're amazing. Very high quality, beautiful. So you have a good starter kit for you to start creating Boom Cards and selling Boom Cards if you choose to do so. And this is it for now for creating Boom Cards with confidence. I am confident that you will learn so much. There's so much goodness inside this course, and you will get not only a course, but I know that you will get an amazing community of supportive educators and entrepreneurs and teacher sellers that will walk you through the whole process and will make it so much easier and more enjoyable. Well, I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to me on Instagram at the _Suburban Teacher or at the ESL Lounge. I'm there, and I can't wait to see what you create. I'll talk to you soon.